Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Genesis credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the search box at the top, type in Genesis credit card login and press enter. In the search results displayed on the next page, pick this first link that says Login Genesis Credit. Click it on. On the next page, you'll be able to see the login area. Start by entering your username in the first text box that appears at the top. Head over to the next field where it says password and type in the correct password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right side, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on this forgot your username or password link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. If you don't have an account yet, you can click this register button and follow the instructions. After entering the correct credentials and you're ready to log in, click on the login button and you'll be logged into Genesis credit card account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.